Today I am giving you tutorials for the new coming student in the second prof. So as a student is entering in the second prof, first he should visit the different subjects, like this is the department of pathology. Then we will go and we will see what books we can have, what type of the practicals book we can have. And now this time NMC has introduced competency based medical education, in which we have to maintain not only the practical book but also the log book, in which you have to enter your practical, all the practicals and all the notes, all the patients related clinical work. So this is the way. First we will go to see the books. Okay. Now this is the Robbins and Cotton Pathology Basis of the Disease. This is 5th edition, volume 1, and then comes a volume 2. So this is essential for the second prof student to have the pathology, should read from these standard books. Apart from this, in India we are also using Harsh Mohan sir's textbook of pathology, which is also a good book and little in Indian language, Indian English language, you understand easily in comparison to the Robbins. So this is a pathological basis of disease, and it is the, as I said to you, it is the 10th edition. Before we were having the blue Robbins, this is 8th edition. So it was earlier we used to read it, but now we are having a new edition. So you people, if you are going this year, you should buy this pathology Robbins and Cottran's. Then comes the practical book. So as we know, we are having competency based medical education. So this is a new edition from the Tejinder Singh sir, and he has published this book, in which according to the NMC curriculum he has concluded all the chapters, and here you can see all the practicals you can have. What are the essential things are there, the equipments are there, and then comes the special stain also, Zeal and stain, which you should read it in your second prof. Then one thing is there is another practical pathology book from the Harsh Mohan, which was the 5th edition. Again it is a good one, but I recommended the earlier one. This is also having all types of the, what type the microscopes are we are having, or what other instruments we are having in the lab, so that we also have for the reference. Then comes the, for histopathology, pictures, because this is one of the area where the second prof students get difficulty. So this is a current atlas for the histopathology, in which you will find a common lesion, how they look in microscopy section. So these are the few, and here you will see the what they are writing, like this is squamous metaplasia and dysplasia. So here you are having the descriptions also, you are having the microscopic picture also. So this is Karan's Atlas of Histopathology. It is good for the UG and even for the PG also, if you want to see the basic histopathology lesions. Then comes the, yes, I personally I do not prefer, but yes, there is one small book also, and it is based on the textbook of pathology written by the Harsh Mohan sir, and this is a quick review and MCQs are there. So in the examination days when you are not having much time, you can go through it. Then we are having log book also. Log books may you can, because in log books you are not only doing the you are entering the all the work like procedures. Even if you are doing the preparation of the blood smear, you have to write down the that thing also. So like it is a cardiovascular system, what you have done in this, or in respiratory system, what you are writing here, what you are dealing the cases, you are entering it. Then comes the injury and adaptation, the what slides you have seen, what is your impression, what is your findings, everything will come in this book. So this is what we call it, it is the log book, and this is for the second professional. Okay, then nowadays in Madhya Pradesh we are having this practical general pathology also. Apart from the log book, you are also have to make this pathology general also, and in which you are again Dr. Neil Kapoor madam has concise all the important things depending on the NMC guidelines. So here you will find each and everything like histopathological techniques हैं. So you will see everything in these techniques, how we gross the specimen, how we process the tissue and everything. Then FNACs, advantage, disadvantages, then comes a cell injury adaptation. This is all you are from the textbook. सो वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. पहले मैं आपको ये बता देती हूँ कि प्रैक्टिकल बुक भी हमें बनानी है, हमको लॉग बुक बनानी है. जो बुक्स मैंने आपको पैथोलॉजी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बता दी हैं वो ये हैं कि आपको एक रॉबिन्सन कोट्रान की रॉबिन्स वॉल्यूम 1 एंड वॉल्यूम 2 लेना है. आप करंट्स ले सकते हैं हिस्टोपैथोलॉजी के लिए. टिश्यूज़ किस तरह से दिखता है माइक्रोस्कोपी में, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस में कैसे दिखेगा, डिफरेंट ट्यूमर्स में कैसे दिखेगा, वो सब इसमें रहेगा, तो आप ये ले सकते हो. इसके अलावा आपको एक लॉग बुक चाहिए. लॉग बुक डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा कॉलेज क्या क्या बना रहा है, बट एक अगर आप मार्केट में जाते हो तो आपको कॉम्पिटिशन बेस्ड लॉग बुक इन पैथोलॉजी भी देखने को मिल सकती है वाली, या फिर डिपेंड ऑन द कॉलेज कि आपको कॉलेज की तरफ से क्या मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल द बुक्स वी आर हैविंग फॉर द पैथोलॉजी इन द सेकेंड प्रॉफ. और नेक्स्ट उसमें मैं पीजी के लिए बताऊंगी कि कौन कौन सी बुक्स हम पीजीज़ के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.